Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Jimmy H Investing, and today's topic is three types of income and which type of income I'm currently in and which type of income I am working towards, right? So, type number one, earn income, where most of us actually are doing earn income, where we put in an X number of hours of our life to get X number of dollars back. So, for example, for me, 9 to 5, I put in 8 hours a day times 5 times 2 weeks, which is 80 hours. So I get 80 hours for every check. I get 80 hours of pay for every check, and then Uncle Sam, of course, will take his shares of taxes before I even see my money, right? So that's earned income, where most of us actually do. Some people work more than 8 hours, and some people might work part time and work less than 8 hours. But in the end, we get a W-2 at the end of the year, and we file income tax. But that's considered earned income. Income number two is called portfolio income. Portfolio meaning either stocks or if you're flipping houses or whatnot, where you buy low, sell high, right? So, for example, let me keep it simple. You buy stocks for $10, you sell for 15, you get a $5 profit. So that $5 profit is considered your portfolio income, and you're gonna get taxed on that portion, right? Flipping house, same thing. You buy a house for 150,000, you fix it up, you sell for 250, you made $100,000. That's considered portfolio income as well. And depending on short term or long term, how long you kept the investment or the asset, that will tell Uncle Sam how much to tax you. All right. So the third type of income is passive income. Passive income is basically you basically doing nothing, and you're still getting paid. When I say nothing, it's more generalized. I know you put some work into it, but to make it simple, you basically doing nothing and you're still getting paid. Some example with that would be if you own a stock that give you dividends, for example, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, annually, for example, and you just because you own the stock, you get a portion of the dividends, right? So that's considered passive. You're not really doing anything. All you do is owning the stock. You bought the stocks and you just let it sit there in your portfolio, and you get income from it, from the dividends. Um, as for me, I get my passive income from my rental income, which is I buy a property, I rent it out, and I get monthly passive income from the tenants, right? The whole income from the rental is considered passive in the eye of Uncle Sam, even though my cash flow might be 50 to $100 per month after all expenses are paid. But once the mortgage of that investment property is paid off, 100% of that will be in my pocket, minus the expenses, of course, and therefore that will be considered passive income. And what I'm driving towards is having enough rental property to sustain my current expenses that I have daily right now. That matching number is around $5,000. So once I reach $5,000, I could considerably quit my 9 to 5 and then live off my rental income, right? Because it's going to be basically paying for my expenses right now. And so that's why I'm driving towards passive income. Right now, I'm currently having both earned income and passive income. I don't have any dividend stocks, and I'm not flipping houses. So therefore, I don't have any capital gain portfolio income wise, unless I sell some stocks and I make a profit off it, which right now most of my stocks are actually losing money. So if I do sell, I do take a loss. But other than that, I mean, those are the three types of income, and everybody mainly takes the first one because it's earned income. We all work for X amount of hours for X amount of dollars. That's just common. Um, but if you really want to be truly financially free, you should drive towards building up your passive income where you really don't have to work um, to continue earning money, right? So, in other words, passive income is more important than the other two in my mind, and that's why I'm driving towards it. Leave a comment below if you think that passive income is the way to go for yourself as well, and catch you on the next video, guys. Thanks for supporting my channel again, and see ya.